What now?
Charlie, it's happening.
Huh? What's happening? What's going on?
YouTube Live, Charlie. It's where the internet and real life combine in 3D.
Oh my god, the internet leaks into real life. Everywhere you look, fat guys will be falling over in slow motion. Cats will be doing people things. Rick Astley will make a comeback.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. It has begun.
Oh my god, it's raining chocolate. It's Rick Astley, run!
Hooray for the collapse of civilization! Down with democracy!
What is wrong with you two?
Moje sodno nad wodosnoj! Woduski palią na ugry!
Hi, what happened? Oh, good. YouTube has gone into maintenance mode. For now, we're safe.
We're also no strangers to love.
Hey, don't do that. He'll come back.
You know the rules.
And so do I.